My name is Eze Samuel Chibuike. I'm a student of University of Nigeria Nsukka. I'm from Enugu State. Actually, I'm an artist. This is one of my works, and the work is made up of a pepper and a gouache color. So this is a painting painting on our painting class. So we were asked to paint a bucket that, like, the item was arranged by the lecturer. We were asked to paint a bucket with a leaf inside on top of a chair. So I used many colors. I made use of many techniques to ensure that I get what I need. So the reason why I went into painting, actually, right from when I was small, I've had this urge, like a desire to be an artist, because I've been seeing people's work and I've loved to be an artist. And I have many people in mind who I would like to be like. I have people like Ella Nasio and so many rest of them. As an artist, art is not all about painting your work. It depends on what you have to say about your work, what's the reason why and purpose why you made the work. That's just all about art. And for you to be an artist, it's not more that you make use of the whole materials that you see others use. You can improvise, because when we were in first year, they taught us about something like improvisation, that in a situation where you don't have the materials, the quality materials which you need, you can still improvise. Because during the ancient days, they made use of many things to capture and to ensure that they get what they want. Like, there are different ways of getting colors. Like, they say that they made use of brushes from trees, in painting, in doing their works, and making colors from leaves. So it's not more that you get all the materials that you need before you be an artist. Like, when I was small, I started using chalk. I started making use of chalk and charcoals, using them on walls before I started improving and now coming up to get to this level. So my desire to be an artist, it didn't just start now. It has been long, it started. So, and I would like to be a great artist, Thank you.